Google is saying game on to its competition. According to the Wall Street Journal, the internet giant is developing a video game console and wristwatch powered by its Android operating system as the company seeks to spread the software beyond smartphones and tablets. The journal says part of this decision is Google's reaction to expectations Apple will launch its own console with its next Apple TV product release. iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch owners currently can play games on their televisions through Apple TV, but Apple TV itself doesn't run games or sell them in an app store. Google says it does not want to let Apple get a large lead over the competition with a new technology, like it did with the iPhone and iPad. Google's Android-powered console would follow the recent launch of several Android-based consoles, including the Ouya, which sells for $100. A writer for The Guardian says it's possible one of their manufacturers will be brought in to make it. But a writer for Forbes points out even if Google teams up with another developer, this product will not displace the PS4, Xbox One, or Wii U. Rather, Google and Apple are competing directly for an entirely distinct slice of the pie. Not the core gaming market, but rather casual gamers who would rather just add a controller to their Apple TV setup and buy $299 games than spend $59.99 on big console releases. Now to that so-called smartwatch we mentioned earlier. CNET notes news first broke in March of Google's Android unit toying with the smartwatch, but why would the Android department, not Google's X Lab, which created Google Glass, be behind the watch? CNET says the company may be looking to get a consumer product out to users on a speedier timeline. Apple and Samsung are both reportedly working on smartwatches as well. The Wall Street Journal says Google plans to release one of these products before the end of the year. For Newsy, I'm Micah Sargent.